Hello, I am California and Texas attorney Michael Eline. I'll teach you how to become a lawyer without law school.
What is fraud under contract law?
Fraud doesn't normally involve a written agreement, although it can. Basically, what fraud is a tort. It's an intentional tort, wherein someone makes a promise or a statement to someone when they never intended to fulfill the promise, or that they knew the statement was false at the time that they made it. Is distinguishable from a breach of contract, wherein when one person enters into a contract and the other person enters into the contract, they form an agreement which they both intend to keep. However, under a false promise theory, which is a subset of fraud, one may argue that when the other person entered into the contract, he never intended to fulfill the contract. And because of that, he is guilty of fraud. Or it could include a situation where someone has made a representation to you that was false. And because that representation was false, and you were damaged as a result of the false representation, you can now sue that person for damages. One additional benefit of a fraud case to the plaintiff is that normally a fraud case arises to a clear and convincing evidence standard, which, if met, would often entitle the plaintiff to sue for punitive damages, not just for his compensatory damages.
Make sure to save, because we never know when the thought police are going to take down this channel.